In this lecture, I'll give you a quick tour of Blender's different scripting editors. First up is the really handy text editor. Now you can use this for very basic purposes, such as leaving yourself random notes and ideas in your Blend files, but this can also be used to write Python scripts. Like for example, if we want to write if 2 plus 2 equals 4, then print out, no, Winston, it's 5. Then we can click on Run Script. Then if we check the System Console window, there we go, we have our printout. It even has options up here to enable line numbering and also syntax highlighting, which will just highlight code with different colors depending on what it is. Like the if statement is red, numbers are blue, operators are orange, and so on. Now it's definitely not necessary to learn Python scripting in order to be awesome at Blender, but it can come in handy. And either way, this text editor comes in handy, like I said, for just leaving yourself random notes or ideas in your Blend files. But if you are interested in Python scripting in Blender, then the next editor might be useful to you. So let me split the area, and we'll change the bottom editor to the Python console. Through this editor here, you have full access to the Python API, and you can use this to explore your different options. Like for example, if I type in directory and press enter, I'll get a list of all these different attributes to look through. Then from there, let's say I want to see the directory of BPY. I'll type in directory, BPY, press enter, and I'll get a list of attributes for that. So this can really come in handy when scripting. Now up next is the info bar. So let me split the area, and I'll load the info bar editor up top here. This simply displays a log of operations and messages like warnings and errors. For example, if I select this cube and I press Shift and D to duplicate it, you can see here all the code that was involved in that duplication. Typically, you won't have to pay too much attention to this unless you're interested in checking out the code for the operations, or if you have some issues with your projects, as there may be some helpful error messages or warning messages here. But warnings will also pop up at the bottom here. For example, with that cube selected, if I press delete to get rid of it, you can see a warning message pops up down here saying we deleted one object, and we also get the warning message in the info bar here as well. So that is pretty much all there is to the scripting editors, so that'll do it for this quick tour of those editors, and I'll see you in the next lecture.